Today's subject is Health Division 25C. Now this is the chapter number 4, that is first aid treatment. Then in this lecture we have to see the first aid treatment about the snake bite. Then we have to see the what is the first aid treatment in the condition of the snake bite. Then there are more than 3,500 species of the snakes, but only 250 are venomous in nature. Venomous means zehri. Out of 3,500 species, the 250 species are venomous in nature in snakes. Then you have to see next is the poisonous glands of snake. Means the poisonous glands which is occurs in snake. The poisonous glands are the salivary glands of the snake, and they are situated behind the eyes on one each side of the head above the upper jaw. It is the position of the poisonous gland which is occurs in the snake, and they are the salivary glands. Then next, fangs. Fangs means the teeth, or it is called as the enlarged tooth, which is present in the snake. Then all poisonous snakes have two fangs. It is important. It consists of two fangs, and these fangs cover teeth situated on a maxillary bone, and the fangs are hollow. These fangs are hollow and tubular in nature. Then the venomous flows through them because these fangs are hollow and tubular, and in these fangs the venomous flows through them. Then the fangs are connected to the venomous gland by means of a duct. It is about the fangs. The poisonous snake have two fangs. Then next is the snake venom. Venom means zehar. Snake venom. Snake venom is the saliva of the snake. It is important. It is the saliva of the snake. When dry appears as a yellow crystal, means when this snake venom is dry, then it is appears as a yellow crystal, yellow color crystal. Then snake venom is a complex proteinous mixture. It is important. It is the complex proteinous mixture mixed with the enzymes. Then next we have to see the snake venom contents. The first is neurotoxin A. It is important. Neurotoxin A, which affects the central nervous system and cardiorespiratory system. Then snake venom contains the neurotoxin A, which affect the central nervous system and the cardiorespiratory system centers. Then second is neurotoxin B, which affect the skeletal muscle and paralyze them. This is the difference between neurotoxin A and neurotoxin B. Neurotoxin A affect on the CNS, means central nervous system and cardiorespiratory system, and this neurotoxin B, which affects on the central muscle, skeletal muscle and paralyze them. Then next, a variety of the enzymes like hyaluronidase, then second is cholinesterase and anticoagulants, etc. are present in the snake venom. Then next we have to see important examination of the bitten person, means snake bite. Examination of bitten person means victim. The first, puncture wound. First we have to examine the puncture wound, where the fangs are bite to the person or victim. First is puncture wounds. In case of poisonous snake, there is poisonous snake and difference between examination of the poisonous snake and the non-poisonous snake. The first we have to see the, in case of poisonous snake, the bites, snake bite, there are usually two puncture. It is important. It is usually two puncture wounds with or without scratches, and the distance between the two puncture wounds is 1 to 2 centimeters. It is about the poisonous snake bite. There is usually two punctures wounds, or with or without scratches, and the distance between the two punctures wounds is 1 to 2 centimeters. And second about the non-poisonous snake bite, there will be no puncture. It is important. In non-poisonous snake, bite, there will be no puncture wounds and only scratches are found. There is a difference between examination of the puncture wound in case of poisonous and in case of non-poisonous snake bite. Then second is the pain. There is a violent burning pain at the site of bite in case of poisonous snake. Means there is a violent burning pain when poisonous snake are bite. Then second, non-poisonous snake bite may be not develop as much as pain as compared to the poisonous. Means there is not much pain as compared to the poisonous. Means snake bite may not be developed much pain. Then third is the swelling. Means enlargement of the affected area. Swelling means enlargement where the snake bite and this place is affected and swelling can occur. Means enlargement. The poisonous snake bite causes the swelling and it spreading in the character. This is about the poisonous snake bite. Means it causes swelling and it is spreading in the character. Means it is spreading throughout the body. But in non-poisonous snake bite, there may be a small swelling, but it does not spread. This is the difference between the poisonous snake bite swelling and non-poisonous snake bite in swelling. Then the other symptoms in the examination of bitten person are the symptoms such as first is the weakness, second is giddiness. Giddiness means it is called as the chakkar. Then third is paralysis. Then twisting or numbness may be developed in the bitten persons. Numbness means there is no sensation at the site of bite. Then other symptoms, for example, weakness, giddiness, paralysis, twisting or numbness may be developed in the bitten person. Then in this lecture we have to see about the snake bite, then what is fangs, then what is snake venom, then snake venom contains neurotoxin A, neurotoxin B and other enzymes. Then examination of bitten person, first is puncture wound, second is pain, third is swelling and fourth is the other symptoms.